Okay, today we're going to show you what we're talking about when we're talking about vying with 200 other dentists for fillings or trying to get into Invisalign patients with a dozen in your competition. So I punched in dentists in Anchorage, Alaska, and the first thing you're going to see here are a few ads. And the first thing to mention about ads is ads have about a 10% trust rating. They have about a 2% click-through rate. As we move down here a little bit more, we're going to have one more ad. But this is the 3-pack here, 3-pack and maps. And the 3-pack has about a 68% trust rating, and it has about a 44% click-through rate. So that's drastic. And the other thing about this whole thing on a phone is this call button is right here. So there's sort of 3 ingredients to get a call. You need to be in the top 3. You need a decent rating, in this case 4.9, 4.8, and 5 are all good. And you need enough ratings to be believable. So 217, 89, and 61 are all good. A lot of times people won't even go to your website. They'll simply push call and make an appointment. Now when you click on more places, what you're going to see is how many other people are out there as dentists in the area. And if you scroll through this list, what you're going to see is hundreds of them. We're going to use the desktop version a little bit later on to demonstrate exactly how many there are. But you can see there's just hundreds of these listings that you're going to be competing with. Now let's take a quick look at what it means to be in the smaller pool. This is Invisalign. And as we look through this group, we again see one ad. And so in counting that ad, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's 5. So there's 5 people that show up on the phone for Invisalign. Now we're going to go ahead and switch this screen over, and we're going to bring this one back. And now this is what it looks like for dentists in Anchorage, Alaska. And we'll go back to here. This is the 3-pack again. This BTY Dental is dominating. We go on more places, and we scroll down to the bottom. And what we see here is each page, 1, 2, 3, 4, each page represents 20 different listings. And when we click on number 10, what it'll show us is there's actually an 11th page of listings here. So Anchorage probably has 220, 230 listings for dentists. And now if we look at the Invisalign, we're going to, here's our 3-pack. We're going to click on more places. What we'll see is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 listings for Invisalign in Anchorage. Now my question for you is really, really simple. Would you rather be fighting for a filling with those 200 other dentists, or would you like to be getting an Invisalign patient where your competition is somewhere between 5 to 9 patients, depending on where they're, what they're on, whether they're on their desktop computer or on their phone? I hope you want to be in the second pool. And it's my job to get you there. It's my job to get you in the top 3 for both dentists and for Invisalign. Please give me a call if you're interested in doing this.